It's a tutorial about Photoshop. So we will take the different layer styles before editing. As you can see how we can change the styles here, angle as well, make a diamond in the layer. So we will unlock it. Now use the eraser tool. We can use the eraser over that layer. It gives us a fascinating vibe there. Add a paint. So I will choose the different option.